All right, people, I got a great video update about BA. I want to show you this plan that I made about BA. I want to explain some important facts about what happened on February the 16th with another trader and my reinforcement of February 17th and what has happened with the BA options. So let's take a look, people, first at the BA plan and let me tell you the facts. Okay, people, I'm inside the video for BA. This is the plan I posted February 13th. See this here? See the price here, 168.03. It's a little unclear, but if you look on February the 13th, BA closed at 168.03. All right, people. Now, this is what I said in the plan. BA is set up to test 180 to 185. The March 17, 170 or 175 calls could be used. I will explain some key facts as this stock is at a key pivot point and will explain things not present in the written box. Okay, so basically, people, I'm going to explain what I said in this video. And you can go into the video and see for yourself. But BA needs to break above 169.25 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 500K. Now, of course, BA did not confirm with the volume. However, BA confirmed with my secondary option, and that is if it couldn't confirm with the volume, that it would need to base above 169.25 and show power towards 170 to 170.5 to 171. And this is where it confirmed. We are looking at BA confirming in the 170, 50 to 171 area. Let me show you on the charts, people. All right, so people, so we're going to be looking in this on the charts in this case, because I need to explain a couple of points, and let's see something carefully here. So here's the 13th, right? We did not confirm. We did not confirm on this day. We confirmed on this day. Why? Because we consolidated above the key resistance point. Then I also stated on my charts, and we're going to get to that. But first, we're going to go to the options after. I also stated that if it would break above 171 to go long, which was on this day here. In the meantime, let's go take a look at the options, and let's go take a look at what someone said on February the 16th, and let's think logically of why you want to listen to me versus any day trader and how I could kill these day traders. They have no idea what I can do. You still don't know what I'm only demonstrating one aspect of what I can do. Anyways, people, let's go take a look at the facts. All right, people, so I'm inside the video on February the 13th, and what I did is I filmed the options and what they cost. So for example, the 170 calls, you can see they closed at 242, and the 175 calls closed at 91 cents. Now, let's make this clear. There's no way we could have gotten in at 91 cents on confirmation, okay? There's no way of it. But this did confirm in a $1.20 to $1.30 area it was very possible to enter into the BA plan on the 175 calls. Okay, and let's go see where the options closed today. As you can see, this is for February the 13th. Okay, I can tell you that for sure. You can go into the video. This was February the 13th in that video. So let's go take a look at. Let me see 1 second here, people. All right, people. So what I did is I rewinded the video to the point where I talk about the date. Listen carefully, turn up the speakers, listen carefully. Let's listen to me talk on inside the video. Okay, just give me a second. Let me click here. Yahoo Finance BA 168.03 close on February the 13th. March 17 options are up here. Let's go take a look at them. So now we've got the 170. Okay, so you've got the 170 calls. All right, people, so you heard me say February the 13th. Again, if you go into the video, you will be able to see, and you want to look for yourself, you will see the same information in the video, and you can hear my voice perfectly say February the 13th. I do this to document from start to end. Facts, power, pressure, everything, people. No pro does this like Power Trigger Trade. No one. All right, people, let's go and take a look at some more facts. All right, this is the close of BA today on February the 27th. So as you can see, BA closed at 179.43. And here's the March 17 calls. Now let's take a look at something. Now, as you recall, the 170 calls costed around 230. And the 175 calls were about 90 cents on February the 13th. Again, you can check that out on the video. Do the research and see for yourself. Now, obviously, you couldn't get in exactly at that price, but the options gained up roughly about 300% today because this did close up right around, this did hit close to 180, just off by about 10 cents. Let's take a look here. Does it show the high here quickly? No, it doesn't. Okay, I don't have time right now in the video. But anyways, I can assure you that these 175 calls hit over $6 at one point today. So the options practically gained about 300%. I would say a good, easy 250% gains, we'll say. All right, people. Now let's go take a look at some more key facts. Just show you some more key important facts, people. But I wanted to document this to show this. Again, this is a great video. Let's go take a look at some more key facts. All right, people. I scrolled down my screen to show you another key important fact. Listen carefully to what I said. On February 17th at 8:45 a.m., I said this specifically. This plan for BA is still good. Either look for this to hold above 170 to the 168.50 area or buy the power over 171. Well, on February 17th, the stock opened below 171 but quickly went right through 171 and never looked back. The fact of the matter is, people, that if you followed my plan and I also reinforced it, you could have easily made money. No need for real-time calls like some people want to say. My plans are better than real-time calls because I tell you before the fact. I give targets. No one does this like power trick or trade. And I keep embarrassing these so-called professionals. But this is the latest professional that well, he's a weak professional. But let's go take a look at this moron. All right, so I happen to see this moron post bragging about being short BA. Now, I honestly, they shorted some. They told me the story. They shorted some, I don't know, very weekly calls that were worth, I don't know, 8 or 9 cents, and then a very risky way of trading, but a very garbage play regardless. But doesn't see the big picture of comparing my plan to what he did. Doesn't see that. Let's take a look at this, people. Let's think about this carefully. This moron Trade with Joe. He goes, did anyone fade the Trump pump from Friday? 172.50 puts double. Now let me ask you something. What if he had went long a weekly call? How much more money would they have made? They claim they made whatever. They claim they made 100%. But if you look at the February on February if you look at that day, this stock barely dropped. It rolls. On February the 16th, there was a dip, but not for very long. And so, people, you want to understand something here. Do you think everyone sees the thing the way I do? This guy looked at shorting BA for a day trade. That's what he claimed. But if they would have went down deeper, he would have been gloating that he had caught something. He caught shit on a stick. They caught a little blip of a move. People, I can give day trading advice, but who do you want to listen to? It for someone who's wrong like this, or a power trick or trade who makes powerful plans? I can do this. I can do better than stuff than this yo-yo does. But I'm trying to make people. My plans. If you want to put some serious money, this guy's buying 1 or 2 options at most when he does this kind of shit trade. A very small amount. What 10? But he's gonna. The option expired. What he told me on the weekly. But anyways, the fact of the matter is, people. I made a very detailed, well plan. I do this with my videos. I keep calling win after win after win. Remember, confirmation is key. But this guy here doesn't see that my trade kept on paying for days on end. Let's go take a look at the chart and just laugh at the situation. So here's the BA trade, people. Okay. So let's go take a look at. Here's the 13th. We confirmed here. Up 1, up 2, up 3. This didn't really go anywhere that day, but we consolidated. So we're still up 3, 4, up 5, up 6. 6 days up straight from confirmation. In 6 days, 250% gains. This still can go up higher, right? As I said, targets are 185. Okay. Obviously, one would be taking profits and holding runners. The key of the matter is Power Trick or Trade destroyed that yo-yo bird trade with Joe or Lloyd. He did a little day trade, doesn't realize that he was talking about shorting the stock. Trust me, people. Don't kid yourself what this yo-yo was saying to people. He was saying, did you short the Trump pump? Well, that's some sort of a pump, isn't it? Look what it did. But he's so damn stupid and wrong. And you know, he started fighting with me, people. Anyways, people, you want to follow the best. Let's go. Enough of this great education. I just want to make a point. Just think about carefully how right I was compared to that guy. And I do this to a lot of other pros. A lot of other pros, I squash them. I squash them with my plans. They're afraid of me. Anyways, people, if you want to see more great plans, detailed plans from a breakout expert, you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. And if you want more great videos, okay, similar, you know, very detailed videos like the one you're watching right now, BA, go to my website, Power Target Trades, okay? Subscribe, make sure you're a follower of Power Trick or Trade on Twitter as I make updates. But make sure you subscribe because YouTube is going to have stuff like super chat and live streaming that I'll be doing in the future, some amazing stuff. Because I know I have a powerful system beyond anything out there. There is nobody who can do what I do. I post very few amount of picks, but have a high win rate. People don't do that. Trust me, people. They don't do what I'm doing. Okay, what I'm doing, you follow, you study my stream, and you'll be blown away by how correct we are. BA and AMD have been great winners. And if that's all you traded, that's all you. It's not about the amount of picks. They have to confirm, but it's the quality. And I put quality plan. If they confirm my plans, you can jump for joy for profits. Most of the time, we're going to make big money. Sometimes you're going to make small gains. This is part of trading. Sometimes small losses. But most of the plans, when they confirm, like BA and AMD, are large gains. Make a lot of great Apple plans. You have no idea, people. There it is. We're going to be making a new BA plan, 250% gains in 6 days. All right, people. So there you have it. So you see the Sandro Power Trick or Trade. You're going to see it appear over here. Click on it and to automatically to easily subscribe. Thanks for listening. Like the video.